Hey everyone, welcome back. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon we are going to do a walk around, startup, and a drive video for you on a 1964 Chevrolet Impala. Now, this car is black, as you can see. It is a 283 automatic transmission. This car does have power steering as well as factory air conditioning on this car. It is a one family owned car with 45,000 original miles on it. The car has had one repaint. It was originally a red car, as I was told, and they painted it black. So, I don't know. I think either one of them is a good choice. I like black and red. This is a nice, clean, solid car. Is it perfect? No, it's not perfect, but it's very, very nice driver quality 64 Impala. Solid undercarriage. Does have a set of retro torque thrust style wheels. BF Goodrich Radio TA raised white letters on it. I drove this car down the road the other day, and man, what a great car. It runs good, it drives good. Interior is very nice. Underneath the hood's very nice. Inside the trunk is very nice. Spare tire, jack, your jack tools, everything's all there as far as I can see. This is a car, somebody's really gonna love this car. Somebody's really gonna enjoy this car. And the factory air conditioning, man, that's a huge deal. Interior is very nice. Front and back seats, very good shape. It does have a couple little bubbles on it. It's got a little bubble there and a bubble down here, and it's got a couple up here on the front fender as well. I think it's got a couple bubbles on both sides on the bottoms of the fenders. I didn't touch it up. I didn't try to fix it or nothing like that. Just selling the car just like it is. Yeah, it's got a couple little bubbles here, a couple there, and one here. We got this car out of a package of cars. I think we bought 6 or 7 cars, and it was one that was in the package. And I'm glad it was, because, you know, it's really hard to find a good quality, driver quality collector car that you can buy for, you know, around the $30,000 mark. And that's where we're going to price this car at. We're going to price this car probably at $31,900, $32,900, something like that. I haven't really, I'll do some comps and see a little bit later. There we go. Does have a aluminum Edelbrock intake and a Holley carburetor. So it's got a little more oomph to it than it would have had from the factory. You can see too, it's a black car, and it's pretty straight when you look down the sides of it. All the glass is in good shape. The stainless trim is nice. Chrome bumpers, front and rear, in good shape. There's the odometer, 45,193 miles. Still has that old, I think, old car smell to it too. Radio works. I can't tune any stations in here, but wipers work. need to put a turn signal switch. Got an AM/FM converter in it. Yeah, like I said, you still can't tune any stations in. Oh yeah, lighter works. Sounds good. Got a couple lights we gotta tend to, I guess. I think it needs a turn signal flasher. I think this is the one I was jacking with last week, and I think that's what I figured out on that. AC compressor kicks on. Not sure if it's 100% cold. The compressor kicks, so probably needs, if it's not, it probably needs a little charge. Just a really nice looking 64 Impala. I wouldn't be surprised if this car goes to California. A lot of the Impalas I get seem to end up there. And for the price, I don't think you're going to be too disappointed, because it's a really good car. There we go. Take her out for a little cruise here. Speedometer works, gas gauge works, blower motor works, radio, lighter. The only thing I seen, I gotta fix the turn signals, and got one tail light, looks like that needs to be fixed. This thing drives great. What a nice car. Kinion Classic Cars. We're in Clarence, Iowa. Phone number here, Kinion Classics, 563-452-2450. And our website is www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. If you're interested in this car, give us a call ASAP, because this car will not be here long. Cars like this just don't hang around. You know, especially, like I say, you get something around that $30,000 price range, and these cars don't last. There's not a lot of cars that you can find out there for 30 grand, especially in a 63, 64 Impala. Two-door hardtop. Usually I take pictures with the windows all down. I didn't do that, but you guys get it. It's two-door hardtop. I love these cars. That air is not cold, but it definitely is cool. So you're probably going to need a charge. She is. Really good looking 64 Impala. Say two-door hardtop. Give us a call. Again, our phone number here at Kinion Classics, 563-452-2450. And the website again, kinionauto.com.
videos. If you have not subscribed, please hit that red subscribe button. That way you never miss another great quality collector car. And those of you who have, thank you very much. It always helps us with our business and our sales, so we greatly appreciate you. Have a great afternoon, and I'll be back at you here in just a little while. Thanks for watching.